Teach your first adult art workshop. This is the art workshop I wish I had had when I first started teaching. My name is Doris Charest, and I have been teaching for quite a few years, and I'm going to give you all the different hints on how to structure a workshop, create your own lesson plan, learn all about class management, and by the end of my course, you should be able to have a plan for your course and start teaching it. This is some of the material you will cover. You'll cover about you, the teacher, what you need as a teacher to get started. You will learn about your students and how they come to class really hopeful, but at the same time, really scared. The fears of your students. Your students come to class afraid, inside, and they try not to show it. So how can you relax your students in order for them to be able to create really good artwork? Make sure your students have skills, and I'm going to show you how that helps take away the fear. Every section has a task. This task is related to that section and gives you a little bit of homework to get you going and get organized for your class. Courage. This is all about you telling your students how they are courageous and why they are courageous. I won't tell you now. You just need to take the course first. We have 17 different sections in this course, so there's a lot to learn. So I hope to see you there.